If you are also having a snow cone business, then this video is definitely for you, because today I am going to show you how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your snow cone stand business. So I am managing a business related to snow cone and I am receiving multiple WhatsApp inquiries on regular basis regarding the flavors, orders, offers and much more. Handling each of the inquiry manually is a time consuming task, so I have decided to automate this entire process with the help of Pabbly Chatflow by creating an amazing WhatsApp chatbot, that too without any coding and programming skills. So as soon as I'm going to receive a new inquiry, automatically my WhatsApp chatbot is going to handle all the inquiries 24/7 for me and also going to automate the responses. If you also want to learn the process of creating this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your snow cone business, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. In this video we are going to learn step by step how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your snow cone stand business. So I am managing a snow cone business and I am receiving multiple WhatsApp inquiries, especially during summer season, related to different flavors, orders, offers, duration, much more. I need to handle each of these inquiries manually and that was a time consuming process. So I have decided to automate it by creating a simple WhatsApp chatbot for my business. And you know, I have created this entire WhatsApp chatbot without any coding in programming skills with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now this chatbot is going to handle all the messages which I am receiving from my customers and new clients and also going to automate the responses according to the messages, and that too 24/7 effortlessly for me. So first of all, before moving and learning how to create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot by ourselves for our business, I am going to first of all show you that how this bot is actually going to work. So this is the WhatsApp number of Snowy Delights, the name of my business, and when a customer is going to send a message on this number, let's say, "Hi, what are your timings?" Any random message, then you can see instantly the message is received to the customer. The bot has started responding. "Welcome to Snowy Delights. I am your WhatsApp assistant. May I know your name?" And the interesting thing is that when the customer is going to reply with their name, let's say I'm going to send my name over here as smart user, a random name. So instantly I got another message and this time I can see my name over here. "Wow, smart user, what would you like to do today? We have 3 simple buttons: view flavors, place order, or our timings." When let's say I'm going to click on the button view flavors, I got an image over here, snow cone flavors. Here we have the flavors. Which flavor would you like to try? So here I can click on place order button to place order for any of the flavors. I can click on view offers. So I got the offer that they are running today. Awesome, smart user. Today's special offers, and here we have, when I'm going to click on place order button, I got the link that how can I place order. So in this way, the flow is actually going to work. Now without any further wait, let's start learning how to create this WhatsApp chatbot for our business. That too step by step. To start with the process, first of all, in a new tab, we need to type in our browser pabbly.com/chatflow, which is going to take us towards the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. Over here, you can see that we have 2 options, sign in and sign up for free. In case if you are already an existing user, just click on sign in to log into your account directly. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. It will help you to create a free new account just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you are going to receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software, and also you can check multiple WhatsApp chatbots. Now, as an existing user, currently I'm going to click on sign in. This is all app section where we can find all the products that are offered by Pabbly. To create our WhatsApp chatbot, we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow. So let's click on access now. It is going to take us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where we can find and manage the credits that are allotted to us, the credits that we have consumed, the credits that are remaining, and the WhatsApp number that are added over here on our account. If you want to learn the process of adding your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow and also to set up your Pabbly Chatflow account, for that here we have add WhatsApp number. We have 2 methods, WhatsApp Connect and manual token connect. For both of the methods, we have created separate video tutorials and added on our YouTube channel. If you want, you can just go and watch. And also I'm going to upload and also I'm going to attach the link of both the videos in the description of my video, so you can just watch from there as well. Now, if you are having multiple WhatsApp numbers and WhatsApp accounts, you can also create separate folders on your dashboard by clicking on this plus button, and also you can name the folder separately to save your numbers in the organized format on your dashboard. Apart from creating WhatsApp chatbots, we have some other amazing feature inside Pabbly Chatflow. As you know, Pabbly Chatflow is all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool. So we have amazing features. We have inbox, contacts, team queues, where we can assign the chats to our team members. We have templates over here where we can create creative and personalized templates to be sent to our customers. Broadcasts, where we can send bulk messages. Flows, by using which we can create the WhatsApp chatbots, AI assistant, settings, and get help. For all of these amazing features, we have created separate detailed video tutorials and added on our YouTube channel. If you want to learn about any of the feature in detail, you can just go and watch the video from our channel. Alright, now let's start creating our WhatsApp chatbot for snow cone stand. So for that, we will go towards the flow section, and here we have flows. Now, here we are on the flow section. We can also manage the active and inactive flows from here. These are all the flows I have created. They are currently inactive. And when I'm going to go towards the active status, here we have the active flows. Now, to create a new flow, we have to click on this add flow button. Basically, the bot which we are going to prepare for our business is going to be based totally on the flow which we are going to create over here, because flow is going to decide the chronological order of the messages. So what message should be sent next according to the response of the customers, that is going to be decided by the flow. Therefore, our bot is going to be totally based on our flow. Now, first of all, I'm going to provide a name to my flow. Let's say the name of my flow is WhatsApp chatbot for your snow cone stand business. Okay, now how to start the flow. In the beginning of the video, I've shown you that when I'm going to receive certain messages for my business from my customers or new leads, then my flow was starting automatically and my bot started responding. Here also I want that when I'm going to receive any message from my customers for any of the inquiry, asking for the prices, offers or flavors or for the bookings, then my flow should start. In order to do that, you can also decide some of the keywords that when you're going to receive those specific keywords in your messages, then only you want to start your flow, or either you can use a regex, that is regular expression that is going to identify any of the message that you are receiving, whether it is a word, a sentence, a small symbol or anything, your flow is going to start. So here I am going to currently use regex because I want that whenever I am going to receive any kind of message from my customers, and my flow should start and my bot should start responding to those messages. So my regex is going to be, so this is the regex which you can also use. Now, as my flow is going to start, I want to first of all ask the name of my customer. To ask any question from my customers, we have to go towards action, and here we have the option of ask question. We will drag it down like this. We will connect it with our flow. And the question which I want to ask is about the name. So I'm going to enter the message as, so here is my message. Welcome to Snowy Delights. Snowy Delights is the name of my snow cone business. I am your WhatsApp assistant. May I know your name before we go ahead? To make some of the details bold, I have used stars at the start and at end of the message. So you can also follow the same. Now, here, as I want to collect the name of my customer, I'm going to select full name from contact custom field. Now, when I'm going to receive the replies from my customers along with their name will be directly added in contact custom field section of my Pabbly Chatflow account. And then further, I will be able to automatically use the name of the specific customer in the communication. And in this way, I will be able to make my communication process more personalized. Now, here we are going to select the format. If you want to provide the reattempt chances and the validation message, you can also do that. Now, as I'm going to receive the name, further I want to provide them the options that what they want to explore. So I'm going to send them a text plus button message along with some of the easy buttons so that they can simply click and reply. Wow, full name. So here I have mentioned the contact custom field along with the $sign to make it dynamic and variable. And now automatically according to new customer, it will get replaced. And in the place of this, the name of the customer is actually going to be appear when they are going to receive the message. What would you like to do today? And now I'm going to provide the buttons. So the first button will be to view the flavors. If the customer wants to check the menu and the flavors. The second button is going to be for the placing of order, if they want to place the order for the snow cone. And the third button is for checking our timings. So these are the three buttons I have provided to the customers, and for each of the three buttons I'm going to send separate message. If the customer wants to check the flavors and the menu, so I'm going to send them the menu and the flavors in a creative image format. Okay, so you can also send catalogs, product brochures, anything, videos and documents by selecting media type of message. And here you can select your media type. I want to send image, so I have selected that. And if you want to insert the URL of the image, you can directly copy and paste it over here, or directly you can upload the image from the computer as well. I have uploaded the image of my snow cone flavors. And here, as I've uploaded the image, I'm going to enter the caption as, which flavor would you like to try? And also I'm going to provide some buttons to place order, or in case if they want to look for the offers that we are running, okay, or if they want to go back. If they want to go back, I'm directly going to connect this go back button with the main options where I'm providing the flavors, order and timings. If they want to place the order, so I'm going to send them the link that how they can place their order by sending them a text plus button message. So here we have tap the link to order. Now I'm going to quickly make the sentence bold. Stay cool with Snowy Delights. I have provided the order link, and now the second option we have the offers. So if the customer wants to look for the orders, I'm going to send them again the message as text plus button message. And here I'm going to send awesome full name. We have today's special offer, that also I'm going to make bold. Buy 4 get 1 free until 7 PM today. Okay, make the most of it. Now again, if after viewing the offers they want to place the order, I'm going to attach the button for place order over here. If they will click on this button, they will be redirected to the message where I am providing them the link. Third one is go back. So I'm going to connect this go back button. I've already done that. I have connected this go back button to the main menu. So the first part of the flow is ready. Let me rearrange it properly and let's save the flow. The flow is updated successfully. Keep saving the flow as you're moving forward to make it updated and keeping it safe. Then the next is the place order button. If they want to place the order, I'm going to simply connect this button with the message where I'm providing them the link. And if they want to know about the timing, so here I'm going to send them the message regarding the timings with again the text plus button message. So here we are open every day. I'm going to make some of the details bold over here. 11 AM to 8 PM. And this is the address, near City Park entrance. Looking forward to serving you. Again, I'm providing 2 buttons over here. First is to view the flavors, or if they want to check for the offers. Okay, so if they want to view the flavors, I'm going to connect this button with a message where I'm providing them the catalog of my flavors. And the second option is for offers. So also I have offer message over here that I'm going to connect with this button. In this way, my flow is ready. Now I'm going to quickly save the flow again as the flow is updated. Now I'm going to take you towards WhatsApp and we will check whether the flow that we have created is working properly or not. So I will take you towards WhatsApp quickly. So I have opened WhatsApp and you can see that again I have opened the number of Snowy Delights, the name of the business. And here I'm going to send the message to this business as a customer. Let's say, hello, share the menu please. As I've sent this message, again, I got the reply. So this means we can say that our flow is working fine and the bot is responding to the messages. So in this way, you can also very easily create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your business without any coding and programming skills. And once you will do that, you do not have to do anything manually. After that, all your WhatsApp inquiries, your WhatsApp messages are going to be handled automatically by this bot. So I hope this WhatsApp chatbot is clear to you. Also, it is helpful for your business. Thank you for watching. Not only this chatbot, but you can create multiple such amazing WhatsApp chatbots for your business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you want to connect us, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com. For any of your query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And for any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Do you know you can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free? So try it now today. Thank you for watching.